Hi guys, Charlie here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to get this really nice dark tan, even on the fairest skin. This is the MineTan x40 self tanner and I left it on for 5.5 hours. For the first shower that you have, you want to make sure that it's only 45 seconds in lukewarm water to wash the colour guard off. I'll insert the before and after pictures right now. I'll show you now what the tan looks like.
Alright, so I'm showing you what it looks like in the bathroom so that you can get a better idea of how dark it really is.
If you want to know how I got from porcelain skin to sun-kissed skin, then keep on watching.
Okay, so this is my before video. As you can see, I'm quite pale. You want to make sure that your hair is out of the way and in a bun so that you don't get any tan in it. Okay, so here I am just moisturizing my elbows, my knees and any areas that fake tan sticks to. Before you do all of this, you want to make sure that you shave and exfoliate at least 8 hours beforehand. You definitely want to make sure that you moisturize your hands and wrists because fake tan tends to stick here quite a bit. Remove any body jewelry so it doesn't get in the way of your tanning. So I am using the MineTan Absolute x40 tanner and I'm pumping 2.5 pumps onto my chest, making sure that you rub that in circular motions. Alright, so I'm grabbing 2.5 pumps to my left arm, making sure that you blend it seamlessly and spreading it evenly. So once you've got a little bit left over on the glove, go ahead and go around the elbow and underarms. And of course going lightly around the hands, making sure that you get into every spot, making a claw shape if that makes it easier for you. I'm just using a tissue to go over my knuckles so there's no darkness in those areas. So basically I'm doing the same 2.5 pumps to each section of the body. I'm distributing another 2.5 pumps. This is going to my stomach, making sure that you buffer in circular motions again, getting into all the areas that you want the tan to be. I just went ahead and used a wet cotton tip to go over this scratch that I have so that's not as dark when it's developed. Alright, so onto the legs. I'm grabbing 3 pumps this time, again in circular motions, making sure that you get all areas. I'm using what's left over to go over my knee. Onto the calves, I'm grabbing 2 pumps for that. And again, doing the same thing, putting most of it on this area, and then the rest of it you'll be putting onto the feet and ankles. Making sure that you go all around the toes and in between them. So this is what the first coat looks like. Alright, let's get on to the second coat.
talking down, I got the diamonds in my mouth.
I'm just putting 3/4 of a pump onto my face. Make sure that you rub it in really nicely. Okay, so this is how it turned out the morning after. It's a really nice olive tan. You want to make sure to moisturize as often as you can to prolong the wear of the tan, and try to avoid shaving for at least 3 to 4 days, and don't exfoliate until it's ready to come off. So this is what the tan looks like with 2 coats. That's the before and after there. This is how my hands turned out. It's not too bad. As you can see here, the tan still remains quite dark even after showering.
If you like these kind of videos, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried this tan yourself and what are your thoughts on it. Alright, catch you later, have a great day, and make sure you treat everybody how you want to be treated. Bye.